Hey friends, if you wish to change the date format on your Windows 11 computer to MMDDYY, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. Now, mine is the DDMMYY format, which is the European format. So it's 4th of May right now, and this is the format. Now, we call this European format, and the European format is DDMMYYYY. And the American format is MMDDYYYY. So I am using the European format right now, and I need to change it to the American format for MMDDYY. So right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Now in the right pane, go to time and language. Now go to language and region, wait for it to load. Under regional format, you'll find a drop down menu. If it is selected at anything other than United States, then scroll down and scroll down to USA, and then select it at English United States. And then as you can see, the format has changed. It's May, 4th of May, and then 2024. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of this video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.